salts का formation होता, that is RNH3 plus and Cl minus. These are the salts are formed by amines. Second reaction with water, वो भी उतना important नहीं है. Next one, amines when they are treated with alkyl halides, that is RX, by elimination of hydrogen halide. By elimination of hydrogen halide, they gives rise to secondary amines. Secondary amines, again, they are treated with alkyl halide by elimination of minus HX. They gives rise to tertiary amines. Tertiary amines again further react with the alkyl halide. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary ammonium salts. First of all, this one is a primary amine. This is it forms secondary amine. Secondary amine, it gives tertiary amine, and it gives rise to quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts are formed by amines when they are treated with alkyl halides. Yes, quaternary ammonium salts जो है यहाँ पे. Yes, quaternary ammonium salts, if they are treated with the silver hydroxide, moist silver oxide, alcoholic KOH, they gives rise to hydroxide. Hydroxides का formation. चलो ठीक है, वो तो easy था. When amines are treated with acid chlorides, what is acid chloride? Amines, RNH2. When it is treated with acid chloride, RC double bond OCl, acid chloride. By losing off HCl minus HCl, it gives amides का formation होगा, that is RNH, C double bond OR. Amides formation. This reaction which is आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर अभी जो रिएक्शन दिखाई दे रहा, this reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोग बात को? ये कौन सा अमाइन है? प्राइमरी अमाइन. प्राइमरी अमाइन क्या दिया? N सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अमाइन दिया है ना. अभी मैं सेकेंडरी अमाइन को लेता. सेकेंडरी अमाइन कैसा होगा यार? R NH is treated with acid chloride. It is treated with acid chloride, Cl C double bond OR prime. It gives rise to, by elimination of this one, then it gives rise to N comma N disubstituted देगा ना, N comma N, because this alkyl group, this nitrogen is bonded with the two alkyl groups. That's why I'm saying N comma N dialkyl amides, disubstituted alkydes. If I am taking tertiary amine means N, R. If it is treated with acid chloride, अरे my dear student, where is the alpha hydrogen? कोई हाइड्रोजन है क्या यहाँ पे HCl जाने के लिए? That's why there is no reaction. Clear हुआ अभी? Yes. और एक बार बोल रहा, सुन लेना आप लोग. Yes, one more time. Listen carefully. When primary amines are treated with acid chloride, it gives rise to N substituted amides. N substituted amides. When secondary amines are treated with acid chlorides, that gives rise to N comma N disubstituted amides. N comma N disubstituted amides. If tertiary amines are treated with the acid chloride, any one of the acid chloride, there is no reaction. Why there is no reaction? Because absence of alpha hydrogen. Absence of alpha hydrogen in tertiary amines. Absence of alpha hydrogen in tertiary amines. Yes, याद रख लीजिए, this reaction is also used, in this reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, clear है? हाँ, एरोमेटिक अमाइंस भी देते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हाँ, एस्टाइलेशन बेंजाइलेशन होते जाता. हाँ, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन जो मेन है वही बोल रहा बेटा आज रिवीजन में, दैट इज कॉल्ड कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट. Carbylamine test. Carbylamine test is also called as isocyanide test. In carbylamine test, only primary amines gives this test. Only primary amines, either aliphatic or aromatic. Primary amine, इसको isocyanide भी टेस्ट बोला जाता. Primary amine, it is treated with a chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH. In presence of alcoholic KOH, it gives rise to alkyl isocyanide. It gives rise to alkyl isocyanide. This reaction is called as isocyanide test or carbylamine test. It is given by only primary amines, but not secondary and tertiary amines. Now check the reaction, balanced reaction एक बार देखिए. This is the primary amine RNH2. Yes, when it is treated with the chloroform formula CHCl3 in presence of alcoholic KOH, alcoholic KOH से treat करवा रहे, it gives rise to alkyl isocyanide, that is RNC. Alkyl isocyanates are formed plus 3KCl plus 3H2. Three KCl and 3H2. हाँ, okay. This test is called as carbylamine test. और एक बात बोलता सुन लीजिए, इसके प्लेस पे आप आर्काइल ग्रुप को निकाल रहा, मैंने आर को निकालो. आप अनिलीन को भी ले सकते, ये भी प्राइमरी अमाइन. It gives a phenyl isocyanide. It gives a phenyl isocyanide. This test is also called as carbylamine test. Next one, reaction with aldehydes and ketones. Very, very important. Very, very important. We don't know if there is here one amine is there. Amine. When amine is treated with aldehyde, जब aldehyde के साथ treat करवाएंगे, it gives rise to Schiff's base. Yes, Schiff's base का formation होगा. जैसे कि R NaH2 when it is treated with a C double bond, वो carbonyl group को ही लेंगे commonly. By losing of water, ये H जाएगा, ये O जाएगा, it gives rise to R N double bond C, R and R. Yes. Yes, so this is called as aldimine or ketimine. Schiff's base बोला जाता है. This one is called as the Schiff's base. Schiff's base. Yes, this is another property. Next property, yes, Lieberman-Nitroso reaction. ये भी important है, Lieberman-Nitroso reaction. In this Lieberman-Nitroso reaction, amines, they are treated with nitrous acid. They give rise to alcohols. Alcohols का formation होगा. Yes. हाँ, जैसे कि this is the primary amine RNH2. When it is treated with nitrous acid, that is HNO2, it gives rise to ROH plus N2 plus H2. This is the preparation of alcohol from amines and nitrous acid. If secondary amines are treated with यही मैंने यहाँ पे secondary amine को लगा, secondary amine. Secondary amine कैसे होता है बेटा? RNHR. If secondary amine is treated with nitrous acid, that is HNO2, then it gives rise to R2N double bond O. This is called N-nitroso-dialkylamine. N-nitroso-dialkylamine. N-nitroso-dialkylamine is formed. Yes. This nitrosamine on warming with phenol, few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, green or brown or red color का form होगा, which changes to blue green. Yes, सुन लो मेरी बात को. यहाँ पे जो nitrosamine है, if this nitrosamine is treated with phenol and few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives rise to the color which is formed here, that is brown or red color solution is formed. Yes, red or brown. This red or brown color solution very soon it is converted into blue green color. It is changed into blue green color. Yes. This color changes to red on dilution with alkali. This color change is called as a Lieberman-Nitroso reaction. And it is used for the secondary amines. आपको क्वेश्चन एक ही पूछा जाएगा. Which one of the following amines gives Lieberman-Nitroso reaction? Which of the following amine gives Lieberman-Nitroso reaction? Lieberman-Nitroso reaction, it is given by only secondary amines. Secondary amines gives Lieberman-Nitroso reaction. Yes. Next third one, next property जो कल रिवीजन किए वाला उसका ये भी चल रहा बेटा. हाँ, क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे थोड़ा ध्यान से नहीं सुने बोल के बोल रहे थे. When amine है आपके पास, we don't know what is the nature. चलो primary amine बोली. Primary amine when it is treated with carbon disulfide. It forms alkyl thiocyanate. Yes. Yes. Alkyl dithiocarbamic acid. कैसे? थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे दिक्कत होगा बोलने में. आपके पास प्राइमरी अमाइन है RNH2. आप उसको कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड से ट्रीट करवा रहे CS2, it gives rise to yes C NHR and SH बनाएगा. It forms an alkyl dithiocarbamic acid. Alkyl dithiocarbamic acid. Carbamic acid. Alkyl dithiocarbamic acid is formed, which is on treated with the HgCl2 mercury chloride. ध्यान से सुन लो, यहाँ पे important है. Yes, when primary amine reacts with इसका जो आ रहा है HgCl2 के साथ reaction करवा रहे, it gives alkyl isothiocyanate, and it gives a different type of color, smell को देता. That smell is like mustard oil smell. आएगा. That's why this reaction is called as mustard oil reaction, Hoffman mustard oil reaction. In place of this, if you are taking secondary amine, yes, secondary amine के अंदर इसके बाद reaction नहीं होगा. Yes. So this is the test which is used for the identification of primary and secondary amines. Primary and secondary amines को identify करने के लिए यही best reagent. Next one, that is when these amines are treated with a Grignard reagent. For example, NH2A, it is treated with a Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMGX. RMGX is called as Grignard reagent. यहां से एक हाइड्रोजन लेगा, यहां से अल्काइल ग्रुप को लेके अल्केन बन के निकल जाएगा बाहर. इट गिव्स राइज टू RH प्लस. बचे वाला कौन है बेटा? Mg as it is. कौन है उसके साथ? X, and it gives rise to NHR. Means amines, primary amines, when they are treated with a Grignard reagent, they give rise to alkanes. Yes. Next, again, one more property. Primary amines on oxidation, it gives rise to aldimines. Aldimines is nothing but CH double bond NH. Primary amines, example देख लो एक बार. R CH2NH2 is a primary amine. If it undergoes oxidation, it gives rise to RCH double bond NH. Removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation of beta. हाँ, this is called aldimine. Aldimine, it further undergoes a hydrolysis. H2O, H plus ion. It gives rise to aldehydes. If you are taking secondary amine in the place of primary amine, नहीं, प्राइमरी अमाइन को ही लीजिए, केटोन को ही देगा. कैसे? ये R को 2 करेगा, लेकिन इसको CH करेगा, CH को NH2 बॉन्ड करेगा, तो ये भी प्राइमरी अमाइन का ऑक्सीडेशन करवा रहे. Then it gives rise to ketamine, that is R2C double bond NH. This ketamine undergoes hydrolysis. Finally, it gives rise to ketone, that is R2CO. RRC double. They gives rise to ketones. Yes. मेरे बेटा प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी अमाइंस का कैसा रिकॉग्निशन करना था ये वाला देखिए. Now we are going to discuss about the new topic that is called as diazonium salts. Diazonium salt is nothing but यहाँ पे benzene diazonium chloride का discussion होता. This is benzene and this is a diazonium and this is chloride. Aromatic, yes. Generally, benzene diazonium chloride, it is prepared by diazotization reaction. It is prepared by diazotization reaction. In this diazotization reaction, primary amines or aromatic, sorry, हम aromatic amines की बात कर रहे हैं. Aniline aromatic amine when it is treated with nitrous acid, that is NaNO2, and HCl or HX, HCl ही लेते हम generally, around 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. If it is treated with 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it gives rise to benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus and Cl minus. It gives rise to benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is called as a diazotization. हमको मालूम है सो एक ही प्रिपरेशन है. ये एक ही प्रिपरेशन है जी. Yes. In this benzene diazonium chloride में कैसे आपको अभी देखो ये बेंजीन करेंगे एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड N2 and X, ये बेंजीन डाइज़ोनियम N plus and X minus, चलो whatever it gives rise to, ये बॉन्ड इधर माइग्रेट होगा. चलो फर्स्ट इनको दोनों को ब्रेक करेंगे प्लस एंड माइनस को, वैसे समझेगा आप. प्लस एंड माइनस को ब्रेक किया तो क्या बनता AR N2 plus X minus, ये बॉन्ड को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. Yes, it gives rise to AR plus. This is the reactant. This phenyl cation, when it undergoes reaction with water, cyanide or halide, it gives rise to different type of compounds. अब यहाँ पे तो आपको phenyl cation आ गया ना जी, AR plus. If AR plus is treated with, there are several. If it is treated with water, water के साथ treat करवाए तो what will be the product, वो भी बोलना चाहिए. If it is treated with a cyanide group, or if it is treated with a halide ion, any one of the halide, इनके अंदर से रहने वाला नेगेटिव पार्ट इससे मिलेगा तो it gives rise to AROH, and this one is ARCN, and this one is ARX. Yes. हाँ. Next one, in this diazonium chloride, yes, any benzene diazonium chloride, for example, this is C6H5, N2 plus and X minus. Yes, benzene diazonium chloride, when it is treated with copper in presence of HCl or in presence of HB or whatever it may. Yes, ये benzene diazonium chloride है आपका. N2 plus X minus. If it is treated with copper around HCl, it gives rise to chlorobenzene plus nitrogen plus X minus. आप कॉपर HBr लीजिए, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So the product which is formed, it is a chlorobenzene, and this reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. This reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. Gattermann. हाँ. Another reaction is there when this benzene diazonium chloride, if it is treated with cuprous chloride, that is CuCl, in presence of HCl, it gives rise to chlorobenzene. ऐसे भी chlorobenzene आए. Both the methods are correct for the preparation of chlorobenzene. Yes, now I'm saying first reaction, it is called as Gattermann reaction. This reaction is called as a Sandmeyer's reaction. This reaction is called as a Sandmeyer reaction. इसको Sandmeyer reaction बोला जाएगा. हाँ. क्यूप्रस क्लोराइड को लेके क्यूप्रस साइनाइड से करवाओ, साइनोबेंजीन आएगा. यहाँ पे CuCN ले रहे तो साइनोबेंजीन आएगा. Yes. If this cyanobenzene, for example, देखिए benzene diazonium chloride, that is N2 plus and X minus or Cl minus, when it is treated with cuprous cyanide CuCN, it gives rise to cyanobenzene. It gives rise to cyanobenzene. अभी cyanobenzene का ही important है. देखो, cyanobenzene means benzene के ऊपर CN group. If CN group or cyanobenzene undergoes complete hydrolysis, it gives rise to carboxylic acid. If this one undergoes reduction, then it gives rise to RCHNH. It gives rise to primary amines. समझ में आया दोनों के बीच में फर्क? यहाँ पे रिडक्शन है बेटा, ये सॉरी नहीं लिखा था मैंने. दैट इज अ रिडक्शन प्रॉपर्टी. लेफ्ट साइड वाला आपको हाइड्रोलाइसिस करवा रहे. कहाँ पे भी साइनाइड रहने दो, साइनाइड को हाइड्रोलाइसिस करवाने पर आने वाला जो कंपाउंड रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. हाँ. When benzene diazonium chloride undergoes reduction, yes, benzene diazonium chloride का फॉर्मूला क्या है? C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. Benzene diazonium chloride, when it undergoes reduction, means addition of hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and HCl. SnCl2 and HCl. It gives rise to phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine hydrochloride means लंबा क्या ऐसे बनेगा? C6H5 NH NH2 dot HCl. Yes. Auric reduction in the presence of zinc hydrochloric acid. If this one undergoes reduction in presence of zinc and hydrochloric acid, it gives rise to aniline. Benzene के ऊपर NH2, it is called as aniline. Aniline का formation. एक ही जगह पे सारे रिएक्शन है इसके, एक ही जगह पे सारे रिएक्शन है। हाँ बेटा, फर्स्ट वाला ये रिएक्शन है, देखिए बस हो गया हमारा बेंजीन डाइसोनियम क्लोराइड के बारे में बेटा। यस, दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज। चलो चेक कर लो एक बार, होना है तो स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो। सैंड में रिएक्शन कौन सा है, बोल्ट्जमान रिएक्शन क्या है, सारा बता रहा हूँ। हो गया। यस, नेक्स्ट वन, this is the chemical properties. Yes, this is another chemical properties. Yes beta, repeaters, amines and benzene diazonium chloride का chapter हो गया। From tomorrow onwards we are going to start new chapter। आज एक ही और बेटा, क्योंकि दूसरा चैप्टर स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहा मैंने अभी। सेकंड नेक्स्ट चैप्टर बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स वगैरह रहेगा, फास्ट हो जाएगा आपको। यस, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज मैसेज करिए। नहीं रे बेटा, कुछ बच्चों का मैंने नहीं किया। यस, आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग, आई विल सेंड, करूंगा करूंगा। थोड़ा सा मंगल है क्या? है, करता बेटा। गौरव आपका भी करता है। हाँ, ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेकंड और नहीं लेता बेटा अभी, क्योंकि टॉपिक हो गया, दूसरा चैप्टर है वो करेंगे हम लोग।